In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Shopify theme without losing your customizations or content. Whether you're a seasoned store owner or just getting started, these steps will ensure a smooth transition to your updated theme, keeping your unique touches intact. Before diving in, let's talk about preparation. It's crucial to have a plan in place so you're ready for any bumps along the way. First things first, let's back up your current theme. Start by logging into your Shopify admin and navigating to the online store section, then select Themes. Here, locate your live theme, click on Actions, and choose Duplicate. This step creates a backup of your current theme, giving you a safety net in case any issues arise during the update process. Now take a moment to jot down all of your custom changes. This includes any code edits you've made in Liquid, CSS, or JavaScript. Don't forget to note any special settings or layout tweaks you've applied, as well as any apps that may have inserted their own code into your theme. Having this list will streamline the update and ensure you don't overlook any important customizations. If your theme was purchased from the Shopify theme store and supports updates, you might notice a notification about a new version being available. If so, you're in luck. Click Add to Theme Library to bring the new version in alongside your current one without publishing it just yet. Shopify typically tries to preserve your existing settings, sections, blocks, and content during this kind of update, easing the transition significantly. For those whose themes require a manual update, particularly if you've made substantial code customizations, upload the new theme version from the Themes page by selecting either Add Theme or Upload Theme File. This action places the new version as an unpublished theme in your library. Next, it's time to transfer your configuration and sections. Open your old theme's settings/data.json file, which you'll find in the config folder, and copy its contents. Paste this into the settings/data.json of your new theme, then save it. For Online Store 2.0 themes, you can also copy template files like index.json, which control homepage layouts from the old to the new theme. When it comes to custom code edits, take a detailed look at any files you've modified in your old theme, such as custom CSS or Liquid templates. Reapply these edits carefully to the appropriate files in your new theme. Be aware that changes in the new version may necessitate merging rather than directly copying over your edits. Finally, don't forget to reconfigure any apps that added code to your theme. Reinstall or adjust these snippets in your new theme if required. Once you've transferred everything, it's essential to preview and test your new theme thoroughly. Use Shopify's preview mode to check your homepage, product pages, cart, and mobile view, ensuring that everything functions as expected. When you're confident everything looks and works perfectly, it's time to publish your new theme. Keep the duplicate of your old theme on hand for a while, just in case you need to revert back at any point. With these steps, you're all set to update your Shopify theme efficiently and effectively. Good luck!